At this time, we ask that you all rise for the playing of our national anthem. We'll be playing the national anthem in 2 minutes.
मोबाइल छोड़ के जाओ क्या मैं?
छोड़ दे छोड़ दे।
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, we ask that you all rise for the playing of our national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you all. You may now have a seat. I would like to request our charter president, Rotractor Vidisha, to self-collar herself as the president of the Rotrac Club of Medicrew for the year 2020-21. Let us all cheer her with pomp and vigor as she leads us to a new year of dedication and excellence. Every organization has a leader whose vision and passion paves the path for its success. For us, that has to be our charter president, Rotractor Vidisha. And who better to introduce the work that we've done and what we stand for than the president herself? Hence, we would now like to call upon Rotractor Vidisha to take you all on a brief journey of what being at Rotrac Club of Medicrew encompasses.
Thank you, Rotractor Heath. Hello to one and all. I would like to begin by thanking you all for removing your time and gracing us with your presence today. I would like to extend a warm welcome and express my deep gratitude to our chief guest for tonight, District Governor 2020-21, Rotarian Sunil Mehra Sir, our guest of honors, Rotary President, Rotarian Ashish Shah Sir, and District Rotrac Representative 2020-21, Rotractor Ojas Joshi. Rotary Youth Director, Rotarian Dr. Arun Garg Sir, DRR-elect Rotractor Bharat Patel, Honorable Rotarians, District Council members, ZRRs, guests, and the RC Medicrew family. A warm welcome to all of you. The Rotrac Club of Medicrew was founded as a charter club under Zone 3A of Rotrac District 3141 on the 20th of July 2020, with the motto of leading with healthcare through adversity to the stars. We were lucky enough and fortunate enough to have a parent Rotary in the name of Rotary Club of Bombay Pier and have 3 Interact clubs under us in partnership with them. In terms of our members, our aim has been to introduce individuals who are going to make huge changes as leaders of the community. We consist exclusively of nationally and internationally based medical and paramedical young professionals of the fields, audio and speech pathology, medicine, dental, physiotherapy, and veterinary. We serve as a platform for them to come together and use their passion for service to provide a credible contribution to society. Our total member count right now stands at 833 members. We are proud to say that we are now the largest club in Rotrac District 3141. Within just 5 months of our inception, we have a medical road track community of over 800 members. Our 833 members are spread over 20 states and 86 cities, out of whom 646 were new road tractors and were introduced to the road track movement through Road Track Club of Medicrew for the first time. Our member growth has been nothing short of overwhelming and yet phenomenal. We started with a small bunch of 30 members who got together with the common and mutual goal of passion for service and selflessness. We started with 30 members. In August, we crossed our first 100, which went on to 250 members in September. After crossing a huge margin by 500 members in November and October, we now stand at 800 members in December. We have seen a growth of over 2000% in our membership, and we are very, very grateful for the same. Road Track Club of Medicrew has also made history in RID 3141 by being the pioneer pan-India medical road track club. From Ahmednagar to Wardha, we have members who are spread across all India and also internationally. I would now like to talk about our presence on social media. In the last 5 months, we have established ourselves on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and also have our very own website, which our members are actively using. Our focus this term is going to be creating a forum where each member of the community can find all the medical resources and help they need all under one roof. If it's healthcare for society, it must be medical. Going ahead, I would now like to give a short, brief idea of the projects that we have done in the last 5 months. Starting with our community service projects, the first project that we conducted was a COVID screening camp, wherein we screened over 350 underprivileged people from Kamatipura district in coordination with our Rotary Club of Bombay Pier. Other projects that we've done under community service are Feed the Need, wherein we collaborated with Zomato and fed 11,000 meals across 20 locations in India during World Food Day. Our other projects include Project Aakar, which is a menstrual distribution and awareness drive, wherein we have now conducted menstrual awareness sessions at over 8 locations and also distributed over 4,500 menstrual pads. Under the same, we did Project Zindagi, wherein we educated 86 girls from Anjumani Islam School, and we distributed reusable sanitary napkins, keeping Rotary's new and 7th area focus, supporting the environment in mind. Going ahead, the other projects that we've done under the Sports Avenue redefined fitness with Suhas Kamkar, wherein we connected with over 24 road track clubs across India, and we had a public marketing of over 250,000 people who used and saw our Instagram account due to our collaboration with Mr. Suhas Kamkar, the national celebrity. Going ahead, our next project is under the editorial avenue, which is the Medicrew Gazette. We have a monthly newsletter that we release at the 30th of every month, wherein we inform our members about the projects that have happened. We have also introduced membership toolkits and membership IDs to maintain transparency with all of our members. Going ahead, the other projects that we have done are Partners in Service. We've done the Road Track Youth Leadership Awards, the Rotary District Raila, and we've also conducted the Modern Indian Parliamentary Session. which is usually taken up by the Road Track District 3141. Inspired by our previous modern Indian parliamentary sessions, for the first time, a Road Track club took upon itself to do the modern Indian parliament session by themselves, thus giving a platform to young road tractors to get together and talk about pressing issues in today's world. Going ahead, the other projects that we've done are under International Service Avenue, wherein every month we conduct international medical virtual exchanges. Here we connect to a country, a road track club from a different country every month, and we conduct a 4-day virtual exchange with them. Until now, we have conducted exchanges in the last 3 months with a road track club from Malaysia, Philippines, and Nigeria. And now we're going to go ahead and conduct international exchanges with road track clubs from Spain, Mexico, Scotland, Canada, Ukraine, and United States of America. Going ahead, the next project that we have done is under the Human Resources Development, which is Swast Contribution Project. This was a project that we took upon in Diwali with Gunj NGO. The project involved our members giving COVID screening for free in return of donations from residents. We conducted the camp successfully in 7 locations across India and were able to gather donation of over 1,000 kilos consisting of rice, grains, clothes, toys, and many more useful items, which were then all donated to underprivileged children in the Gunj NGO. With this, I wrap up my overview of all the projects that we have done in the past few months that were noteworthy. I would now like to pass on the dais to Rotarian Riaz Sir and invite him to introduce Rotarian Sunil Mehra Sir, our chief guest for tonight, to give his address. Thank you.
Riaz, you really want to introduce me?
Yes. Yes, for the road tractor's sake, yes, Sunil. Good evening, everyone. Firstly, a big salute to all the medical and paramedical professionals, our COVID warriors. I would like to congratulate Road Tractor Vidisha for taking on the mantle of the Charter President of the Rotary Club of Medicros. My best wishes to the President and a Board of Directors in the enriching vision year. I'm sure that under her able leadership, your club will achieve great heights and significant landmarks. The first, of course, being the largest road track club in the district and probably all India. As Director Youth of the Rotary Club of Bombay Pier, I look forward to working with you this year and the next so that we can do substantial work in the medical field for the community. Friends, it is my pleasure to introduce District DG Sunil Mehra. Sunil and I go back 22 years when he joined the Rotary Club of Bombay Pier. Through the years, I have come to know him as a truly selfless person, always the first to support any project with his presence and financially. In the most difficult situation, he will, in his charismatic style, say, "Ho jayega." He's a warm, genuine person with a heart of gold, and those who know him well will vouch for his subtle sense of humor. Born in Amritsar and an alumni of Campion School and KC College, Sunil has been a keen sportsman and played cricket and badminton at school, college, and the national level. He runs a successful business as MD of CorpBiz Private Limited and Brand Ideation Private Limited. Sunil was introduced into the Rotary Club of Bombay Pier in 1998. He became president in 2008-09 and won 26 awards in his year. He has the distinction of receiving the highest award given to any Rotarian, the Service Above Self Award in the year 2015-16. He has also been awarded the Rotary Foundation District Service Award twice. Sunil has been a part of every district governor scheme from 2009 in various positions as district officer. He has chartered the Rotary Club of Mumbai Lakers and was the GSR Rotary Club of Chandivali, the Rotary Club of Mumbai. He organized the first CSR seminar in District 3140. It was attended by 150 corporates who pledged their support to our district. Sunil has a soft corner for the physically challenged, and during my presidency in 2016-17, helped organize two major events along with our district road tractors, a sports event and a talent contest for the physically challenged school children across Mumbai. He also sponsored a differently abled garden at Kamla Nehru Park in the same year. As DG, Sunil's dream is to make the entire district 3141 disabled friendly. First Lady Shilpi, our DG's backbone, is a multi-talented, enthusiastic, and caring friend. She's been a past president of the Rotary Club of Bombay Pier and of Rotary Club of Mumbai Lakers. Shilpi is also an Inner Wheel member. They are a major donor level 2 couple. They are blessed with 3 children. Shraddha married to Nirav and blessed with 2 children. Aishani has actively contributed to Rotary right from designing the Rotary WOW logo in 2014 to our current state-of-art Vision District Directory, and son Sukrit, who has completed his BTech in USA. Friends, I request our DG Sunil to share his views and thoughts for the vision year. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Riaz. And I was hoping, and my hope has come true. You didn't say so much more about me that you know. Rotrac Medicrew Club President Vidhi Shah, congratulations on taking on the mantle. Visionary President Ashish, AG Riaz, DRR Ojas, IPP Rupan, members of Bombay Pier, all members of RC Bombay Medicrew, 800 members, awesome. District officers, core team members, project director, youth Arun Garg. President Vidhi, totally impressed. Great projects and well presented. The kind of work done so far is no less than any Rotary Club. And so glad that you have been chartered by our club. Truly honored to be here at this installation. Yes, you have touched me emotionally with that national anthem, along with the sign language. Let's give them dignity they deserve. Rotarians of RC Bombay Pier, other Rotarians, and district and uninvited guests. We all know Rotractors are our future leaders, and this fraternity of Rotary is basically to encourage the system of creating leadership, helping them grow in a structured manner, making them aware of social objectives, and creating opportunities for them. One of the great learnings of becoming a Rotractor is how important it is in a structured format to have leadership skills. So this is for all of you. You know, in a constantly changing world scenario, what needs to emerge is leadership, which can lead with distinction to make change happen. If you see in every aspect around our lives, there is need for leadership, be it domestic, offices, social organizations. So a successful leader needs to be a visionary, charged with the ability to steer the objectives around pitfalls, not planning just for today, but even for the tomorrow. They must know when to seize opportunities and how to rally the team to work hard towards their final destination and, of course, their goals. You, Vidhi, as a leader, will find a way to achieve with the right combination of charisma, enthusiasm, and self-assurance, probably with, of course, with a healthy dose of luck and timing. It may seem some people are just gifted with these skills, but the truth is most leadership traits can be learned and sharpened with practice and time, typically like the story of the woodcutter. One of the key factors is to manage yourself before you try to manage others. Manage yourself before you try to manage others. If you cannot be particular about things you want others to follow, how do you think you can even ask for them? Be it time management, self-control, responding and not reacting. Of course, you know the distinction there, financial prudence, etc., etc. As an effective leader, you must be able to regulate, with strong emphasis on the word regulate, your time, your attention, your emotions, while remaining aware of your strengths and probably even your weaknesses. And be particularly informed of this one, potential weakness of meandering to be biased because of your closeness or then affinity to someone. Remember, what is right is always right, no matter how many say you are wrong. But you must also remember the high importance of compassion required and to be able to respond to people and events in an appropriate way. Remember to maintain self-control and discipline in your actions. And that I would say for any particular president who takes on after Vidhi. So you should, of course, avoid becoming overly reserved or inflexible. Leaders need to be curious and genuinely interested in the fraternity, your attractors. Being flexible in your mindset and trying new approaches and ideas. Importantly, focusing on the future. You need to be able to communicate on all levels, one-on-one, for example, to the department, to the entire staff, as well as via phone, all your methods of communication. So work on being approachable and involving people from different levels. Successful leaders, they say, know how to use their power and authority appropriately and with distinction, without overwhelming or then overpowering. Vidhi, leadership is all about holding yourself accountable and taking responsibility for your own mistakes and expect others to be the same. After setting clear goals and persisting in achieving them, be determined and purposeful in achieving them. Back it all up with unshakable confidence. If you give up, so will everyone around you. To be a successful leader, Vidhi, you must be willing to keep going, even when others are tempted to throw the towel. Most importantly, leaders are those who have a vision for the future. Take up challenges. And I'm going to be challenging you every year through, of course, our club. Being a visionary means understanding that continuous change is, of course, occurring all around you, so that what worked in the past may not always work from now on. Team building, Vidhi, is the key in promoting teamwork. Leads to successful leadership. Team building is essential to leading a diverse and unique group of people with distinct personalities, motivations, and skills. Vidhi, if you develop the right team, you will be creating an unstoppable force that will drive your club's success. You've already touched 800, and I'm not sure about India, but I really have to check the records for the world. Before I end, a few words for President Vidhi. Success in life depends upon two qualities and attributes. The vision to see invisible opportunities and the mission to solve the impossible things. All the best to the entire club as you and your ambition to be the largest Rotaract club should come true. All the best to you.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us your time and inspiring us today and always with your words. I would now like to introduce the immediate past president of the Rotary Club of Bombay Pier and our very own club mentor, Rotarian Rupen Doshi, sir. To call him the club mentor would only fulfill one of the many roles he has played in the last few months. The guardian angel of the RC Medicrew family, his staunch support, composed and rational personality, and his dashing sense of humor and unwavering ability to direct us through familiar and unfamiliar situations has resulted in him being a pillar of strength and guidance for us ever since our inception. We hold immense respect and have deep gratitude for the faith that he has shown in us and finding us worthy of his mentorship. He is also the head of Future Tech, an executive sales and HR consulting firm. He has guided thousands and thousands of professionals in career and personal development. He had started his career in IBM in sales and marketing, and he is now the co-founder of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Gandhi Institute of Computer Education, the world's largest free computer education institute. He has also participated in several television debates on terrorism, citizen involvement in public life, accountability of elected representatives, etc. He is the immediate past president of the Rotary Club of Bombay Pier, the chairman of the New Sagar Darshan Housing Society, and a member of the Breach Candy Advanced Locality Management. His hobbies include speaking, writing, trekking, football, and martial arts, and he even has a brown belt in karate. He is truly the man who has made it all possible. Please welcome our very dear club mentor, Rotarian Rupen Doshi, sir.
God couldn't be everywhere, so he sent doctors. District Governor Sunil Mehra, President Vidhi, Rotary President Ashish Shah, DRR Ojas, District Project Director, Youth Arun Garg, Bombay Pier Project Director, Youth Riaz Nagri, DRR Bharat, past President Rotarian Hashim Kathawala, Rotarian Mithu Surti, and all my dear friends. Rotaract Club of Medicrew, we are proud of the fact, not that you're the largest club with 850 members, but will contribute most to society. That you will break down geographical barriers with members from all over the country. That you have crossed functional barriers between branches of various medicines. That doctors and students, professionals and those in learning will work together to serve the community. That is a Rotaract Club of Medicrew. We are proud of the fact that you will make Rotary proud with the work that you do, that you will grow into conscientious service providers and citizens of India, that you will even serve in rural areas where you are needed the most, and that you will make lots of money and donate generously through Rotary. 30 years back, when Dr. Bhattacharya did an open heart surgery on my father-in-law, I realized why doctors were treated with such reverence. Being part of the Bombay Pier family, we hope that you will learn life skills that make you humane doctors. When Kinjal was born, my wife Neha hated the gynecologist because he never smiled and never made small talk to make her comfortable. There is so much humor in medicine that I hope you bring the good feeling to life too. A smiling doctor needs no medicines to cure. A doctor was once asked how many autopsies she has conducted on dead people. All of them, she replied. The live ones put up too much of a fight. So, being a part of Rotary, you will have the best of both worlds. You will have an opportunity to use your technical skills to make the world a better place. And let me tell you, Rotary is not all work and no play, which made Vidhi a dull girl. It is about developing yourselves, handling difficult situations, difficult people, and of course, enjoying it all. Being part of an international organization, which is in India for 101 years, is quite exciting and will open up many, many opportunities. So my young friends, make the most of it. Your President Vidhi and the Rotary Club of Bombay Pier are with you. President Vidhi, I must tell you that I have thoroughly enjoyed this journey while you were running the club and when we were setting it up. The ideas that we exchanged, the ideas that your board of directors exchanged with us, I think actually motivated us, like all young people motivate us, to go out there and do something, even though we had to go out of our way a little bit, primarily because your leadership really mattered. And I hope all of you have heard District Governor Sunil Mehra very, very carefully on what he said about leadership, because that is what is going to make a difference. All the best to you and God bless. Thank you.
Thank you for your kind words, Rotarian Rupen sir. Truly, without you, the Rotaract Club of Medicrew would not be what it is today. I, Riya Agarwal, the Secretary of the Rotaract Club of Medicrew,
And I, Rotractor Hate Modi, the Joint Secretary of Rotaract Club of Medicrew, would like to now present our highlight projects for the year. Starting with our First Avenue Community Service, who in all have done 14 successful projects so far. One of them being Project Zindagi, which was a menstrual hygiene awareness and a menstrual kit distribution campaign conducted by the community service directors of Rotaract Club of Medicrew in collaboration with the non-profit organization Zindagi. 86 girls of Anjuman-I-Islam Girls High School were sensitized about menstrual hygiene. One of the other important projects that was conducted by the Community Service Avenue was Project Rescue Vision, which was an on-ground eye checkup camp which was conducted in collaboration with the Rotary Club of Bombay Pier and headed by Dr. Jigar Bhatia, an experienced ophthalmologist. One of the other projects include Blood Donation Camp, which was in collaboration with the Indian Red Cross Society Blood Bank and Shri Durga Rahivasi Sangh. conducted a blood camp where a team of doctors, technicians, assistants, and driver was sent by the blood bank to collect blood from the donors at MG Road, Dharavi. Our other stellar projects include Project Zindagi, Menstrupedia, Period Power, Blood Donation Camp, Rescue Vision, Asra Health Camp, Menstrual Hygiene Awareness Programs in association with Period Society, Educate, Project Swatch, Project Akar, Rethink, and Rethink Your Drink.
Coming to professional development, total project number of projects done under this avenue are 34. Our first project under this avenue is Chronic Chronicle, a year-long initiative in which a podcast is uploaded weekly, which would focus on revising relevant medical topics in a span of just 5 minutes each. Next project, SimuMed. Team Professional Development of the Rotary Club of Medicrew decided to let the students experience evolution by simulating an online clinical exposure comprising not only of various doctor-patient conversations, but also a step-by-step guide to help students reach the correct diagnosis to different clinical scenarios. Other endeavors under this avenue are Project Snake, Mycology, Crash Course, Sections and Stains, the COVID-19 Management Course.
Coming on to our third avenue, entrepreneurship development. The first project that was conducted under this avenue was Decoding Research. It was an event that aims at covering protocols of research and how its application can be applied in crafting medical devices. The other project was in collaboration with the MICE Labs, which was a series of exciting and interactive webinars where students who are passionate about research and innovation attended it. So far, 3 sessions have already taken place. The first being the basics of innovation, second being virtual simulation in reality, and third being 3D printing. Our other projects include CT scan, biostatistics for beginners, cardiopulmonary webinar, 60-second selfie challenge, basics of orthodontics, research brochure launch, and polio brochure launch.
Coming to our next avenue, international service. The total number of projects done under this avenue are 24. First main project under this avenue is Open Access. The Rotary Club of Medicrew's international service team, on the occasion of International Open Access Week, conducted an interactive workshop of 2 sessions, including students' perspective and faculty's approach, focusing on explaining the open access concept and what it means when it comes to medical open access research journals and the types of scientific research. Next main project under this avenue is Voices. Voices was an initiative to provide members with an opportunity to talk about the mental health issues that they're facing anonymously. We give their stories a voice by making a video of their concerns and posting it on a YouTube channel so that their concerns could be voiced out. Other endeavors under this avenue are Pause for Pause, Hear Us, Tales from Plastic Surgery, Diabetes, Project Sapne, Antimicrobial Awareness Week, Beyond HIV, and The Awkward Conversation.
Our next avenue is human resource development, who in total have conducted 12 projects so far. The first project being the membership drive, which are basically the induction sessions which have been conducted by our avenue to reach out to as many people as possible from all over India and from all the 3 faculties. The next project includes Developing Leaders Initiative. The Human Resource Development team came up with this mega initiative due to our varied member base, under which institutional ambassadors, regional heads, and faculty heads are recruited, and they are given the opportunity to enhance their leadership and communication, therefore building potential leaders to carry out smooth execution of our activities.
Coming to Partners of Souls. The total number of projects done under this avenue are 6. Ambassadors attended by them are 15. First project, the RILA. The Rotary Youth Leadership Awards is conducted in collaboration with the Rotary Club of Bombay Pier and other Rotary clubs. It aims at instilling leadership skills in the members, aids in their character development, while simultaneously providing a platform for members to bond and have fun. Splintered Minds. Splintered Minds was a 3-day mental health certified course curated especially for Medicrew members, where they were taught by experts from top mental health organizations. Unique sessions were conducted every day, and the members were trained to be mental health responders through conceptual learning and interactive dialogue. Coming on to our next avenue, public relations, who have so far conducted 6 projects. The first, one of the very important projects that has been undertaken by the public relations and marketing avenue is RAP, which is Responsible Ambassador Program. Distribution of masks, Sehat, was the first initiative undertaken under this, where at least 100 plus masks and 200 plus food packets were distributed to underprivileged people near Khar and Bandra station in Bombay. The second initiative under this was Pick Your Rig, which was in collaboration with United Biotech, and another event where protective plastic sheets were installed in 15 auto rickshaws to ensure safety of auto drivers as well as the passengers. This also helped in increasing awareness of Rotrack and its work in the community. The third initiative under this was our banner launch. A specially curated banner was made and printed by the team PR, which helped in increasing awareness about the work of Rotrack Club of Medicrew in the community. Coming to club service, the total number of projects done under this avenue are 9. First, the ice-breaking sessions. The ice-breaking sessions conducted by the club service avenue were mainly for the core and BOD members to introduce and familiarize themselves with each other. Instead of making the attendees give plain and boring introductions, a twist was added to the activity in order to spice it up and make it more enjoyable for everyone. Next, Trivia Night Live. Trivia Night Live provided a platform for all Bollywood and for Hollywood enthusiasts to come together and have their knowledge about their favorite superstars and movies tested. The activity being conducted both at a zonal and club level aimed at promoting friendly relations and bonding amongst club members and people within Zone 3A as well in a fun and interactive way. Coming on to our next avenue is Avenue Editorials, who have in total conducted 4 projects so far. Arcadia is one of the biggest mega projects that has been undertaken by the team Editorials. It's a literary society that aims at fostering deep and emotional learning through the medium of art. Next, Leaders Life. Again, a mega project which was launched by the team Editorials, which was an interview series that is conducted on a smoothly basis, where the Rotractors get up close and personal with the country's most inspirational pioneers. Coming to sports, the total number of projects done under this avenue are 7. First main project under this avenue is the IPL Fantasy League. The Rotrack Club of Medicrew came up with the concept of an online cricket fantasy league in collaboration with the Rotrack Club of Bombay Airport to put the unconditional love of people of India towards cricket to some good use by using the entry fees given by the participants to buy masks for the underprivileged. Next, Runtastic. Runtastic was a year-long initiative to motivate and push our participants to their limits during their run by introducing a competitive aspect to it, where leaderboards with the top performers are displayed each month. Coming to our next avenue, digital communications. The total number of projects done under this avenue are 10. First main thing under this avenue is the launch of our Instagram filter. The Rotrack Club of Medicrew developed and released their very own filter on Instagram to increase outreach and build a connection with all their members, while simultaneously making them feel like a part of this big organization. Next. Coming to the club website. The Rotrack Club of Medicrew created their very own club website. It is a versatile platform created by a wonderfully talented digital communications team, where all the necessary information regarding the club and the latest club updates can be found. Here at the Rotrack Club of Medicrew, we strongly believe that a single action can make difference in the community, and that collective action can greatly impact the world. We wish to spread our message of hope and compassion and are committed to investing our expertise and our resources in order to achieve all our above mentioned goals.
We have all heard our president introduce our organization. Now, allow us to introduce you to the individual who made it all possible. Our president for the year 2020-2021, protractor Dr. Vidhi Shah. A woman of unquestionable integrity and brilliance. The trait that sets Vidhi apart is unequivocally her ability to unlock the hidden potential of people around her and galvanize them into action. Unparalleled dedication being her trademark, Vidhi has been a part of the Rotaract movement for multiple years. She has held over 6 positions in Rotaract clubs over a span of 3 years. In her capacity as editor and joint secretary of the Rotaract Club of Mumbai Western Elite, she played a pivotal role in its phenomenal achievement of becoming the largest community-based club in Rotaract that year and ranking 10th in District 3141. She was awarded the Outstanding Editorial Director, Outstanding Secretary Team awards amongst 103 Rotaract directors and secretary teams in the ARA for her exceptional contribution to the movement. She went on to represent Zone 3141 in the Red District event as the Assistant Contingent Leader for Literature. She has also co-founded an NGO named Avaz, an RE Village Developmental Project in association with her old club, which she is still actively managing. After an action-packed and irrefutably successful year at RC Mumbai Western Elite, she served as the Director of International Service in the Rotaract Club of Caduceus. In the next term, she was elected as Vice President and Club Mentor. This year dawned on the inception of her own chartered club, the Rotaract Club of Medicrew, our Rotaract Club of Medicrew.
Incredibly ambitious and driven, Vidhi hasn't fallen short in building her impressive persona outside the club either. A meritorious student of the KJ Somaiya Medical College of Physiotherapy, she headed the magazine committee and was a pivotal part of the student council for 2 years. She introduced the concept of an editorial magazine issue on a virtual website interface for the first time in her university. She was the recipient of the prestigious Somaiya Star Citizen Student Award on an institutional level amongst 33 colleges for engaging in impactful community service along with excelling at her academics. From volunteering internationally during her summer to help special needs kids at a local hospital in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, to working along with UNICEF as a youth ambassador for sustainable developmental goals, to executing 2 medical research projects, to being the scriptwriter and editor of Burn, a medical short film on acid attack victims, which won 5 national conferences, there's little Vidhi hasn't dabbled in yet. If one had to summarize Vidhi in a single statement, it would be only fitting to say that she's not only the jack of all trades, but also the master of all.
As president, she is the cardinal keystone of our club's marvelously streamlined architecture. Having carefully crafted the organization's entire structure, she is perfectly capable of independently directing each avenue herself. Right from handling the social media account to managing and marketing global relations with medical professionals from all across the world, she is single-handedly responsible for strengthening our club and helping it reach the heights that it has reached. Evident from what her presence has helped our club achieve already by amassing 833 members from 4 countries and 86 cities, she has played an integral role in spearheading the club to its zenith. Now, we would like to invite Protractor Vidhi Shah to walk us through her insightful journey.
Thank you so much, Protractor Tanisha and Protractor Saidi, for their introduction. It is not unknown that every new vision or dream, glorious enough, far-sighted, and imperial, requires diligence, persistence, and sometimes more than a few sleepless nights to make it come true. This club began as such a vision. Yes, truly a little too regal in my heart, I knew it was achievable. At each step, as time passed by, obstacles increased, be it crafting a suitable administration, to accommodate our ever increasing member base. A team, a system of working or procuring, purpose for all of it. But as someone has rightly said, nothing worth having comes easy. I kept my feet strong and my spirits high, taking each step slowly but never stopping. I, of course, cannot forget that I am where I stand with the confidence and hope I do because of the tireless efforts of the people who have helped me become who I am today. First off, I would like to thank my family for supporting me throughout this journey, the good and the bad. My immediate past president and our dear club mentor, Rotarian Rupen Doshi sir, whom I like to lovingly call Rupen uncle. Our Rotary President Rotarian Ashish Shah sir for always supporting us and Rotary Club of Medical and taking it towards Zenith. Our district Rotary representative, Rotary Otis Joshi, for supporting and motivating us throughout and helping us with whatever we needed in our time of need. But truly, what is any mission without its core foundation? Rotary clubs cannot be and will not be without those who give them life. And those are the most important assets of Rotary Club of Medical. Without this important resource, we cannot talk of our achievements. And that asset is our membership. We have achieved exponential growth and successfully increased our strength and have conducted over 127 projects in a short span of 4 months. Being the largest club in Mumbai comes with responsibility, a responsibility to serve the community and ensure that each road tractor is able to avail fellowship through service, may it be from corners of Ludhiana or Himatnagar. Hence, we set up a system, an elaborate administrative system of regional heads, institutional ambassadors, faculty heads, and our general body members. Today, I lead a team of over 75 road tractors, my core team, my board team, and general body members who are competent and want to take up leadership roles and help Roadtrack grow with the movement. All my life, I have strived to make a difference, from volunteering internationally during summer, helping special needs kids to working along with UNICEF. But nothing has helped my passion as much as Roadtrack has in the past few years. Co-founding an NGO with my first and my old club, Roadtrack Club of Mumbai Western Elite, was only the start. Little did I know I would go on to charter my own organization, one that would have its own life and one that would have road tractors who would breathe their passion into it and give selflessness about service. Roadtrack has given me incomparable opportunities to turn my aspirations for community service into a reality. And now it has presented me with a beautiful opportunity to lead an inspiring group of healthcare professionals during the founding term of Roadtrack Club of Medical. At times, all the pressure and expectations of others and my own combined proved overwhelming, and giving up seemed like a rational option. But Roadtrack Club of Medical, the members, my team, the service projects, and the constant support of our Rotary has never made me think otherwise. These are moments you hold your step and take a breath, spare a second to consider the crossroads where each lane might take you, and then you look towards others. My team standing with hope in their eyes with their own dreams and keep going no matter how hard it seems. That being said, there's no simple way to describe what the Roadtrack Club of Medical matters to us. You learn a little new something every day. You beyond the scope of academics and our strenuous medical careers. In this organization, we believe that every one of us whoever we are, whatever our place in the world, whatever medical profession we come from, have something to contribute, no matter how infinitesimal it is. With this, I would like to conclude my charter speech and thank you all for attending our ceremony today. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Retractor Vidhi, for sharing your journey with us. Your words are ever inspiring and motivate all of us to work harder. We would now like to mark the start of our journey through an ode given by a Ganesh Vandana performance by a general body member, Retractor Pooja Shinde, thus denoting an auspicious beginning to accompany our theme release for the Rotary International Year 2020-21.
गणराय तेरे बिना मैं आदि स्तुताय कहाँ चला मैं आकार लेने लगा ख्वाब मेरा साकार होते रुका ख्वाब मेरा मेरे अधूरे कारना सही निरा दबा कर दे तू पूरे आज सानी दबा दबा नमो 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 नमस्ते नमो 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 नमस्ते
Okay, so before we introducing our next speaker. Within few months, it's an act. Is appointed. A man so good with his work. And gentlemen, I welcome the 2021-22 of RID 314.
Hello, can you hear me, guys?
Yes, Bharat, we can hear you.
Okay, I thought, internet connection. Okay, first of all, I'm really sorry, to coming in between because, I'm right now out and I got some emergency, so that's why. Thank you so much, for giving me a chance to speak to all of you. First of all, congratulations to Vidhi and the entire team for this amazing installation ceremony. And I have seen the membership number 800 plus. That's really, really, really commendable. You know, first year as a charter year, you are having 800 members. That's really nice. Okay, plus 67 projects. That's an incredible job you guys have done. So, you know, every member should clap for themselves for such an amazing job. That's really nice of you guys. You know, in the first year we have never seen this type of enthusiasm for from any club, and you know, you are the one of the best club that, you know, in the first year 800 member plus and 67 projects you have done, plus it's connected to community service. Okay, uh, for others, you know, who don't know me, I'm actually fan of community service projects, and when I see your club is doing all the community service project, it's really, really, you know, grateful for me. Second thing, Vidhi, this year we have 850 members, right? I hope it will touch, you know, 1000 this year itself, correct? So for the next year, since I'm the DRI elect, right? So obviously for me, the target should be a big for the next year, right? So whoever is the president for the next year, you know, from these 800 people, okay, guys, you have a big target now. You have to cross 1000, you know, and I can say, you know, if you can have 50% growth in the 1000. Oh, Ojas is saying 2000 root tractors. That's really nice. And I think whoever is the president, next president, you know, he or she has already target of 2000 members, and I'm sure, you know, that Medicrew can do this. You know, if you can do 1000 this year in the first year, second year you can do 2000 members, right? So, you know, I'm really excited, you know, to work with you guys next year as well, you know, and next year agar main jab aauga, you know, then I will see 2000 members in your club. So yeah, that's the thing. Vidhi, Vidhi, are you there?
Yes, yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So Vidhi, this is the target for you as well, right? Yeah.
Yeah, we've already crossed our original target of 500
Exactly.
members.
Yeah. And I'm really impressed, you know, with this, that you are already achieving your targets, right? So it's really great. But you know, whoever is the next president, we need IPP support, right, Vidhi? So I'm sure
Definitely.
you will, yeah, you will make sure that, you know, 2000 you guys will reach, you know. And I'm very happy, you know, that your Rotary Club is very supportive to you guys, you know. Since the day when we started this journey, you know, to start this new club, you know, I still know, you know, when Vidhi was, you know, always talking to me, Bharat, kya karna hai, kaise karna hai, and all stuff, right? And I know everything, every call, okay? I was like, you have a brilliant Rotary Club, right? What else you need, correct? So I think, you know, Vidhi, you are lucky for this thing, that you have a brilliant Rotary Club, you have a brilliant members, 800 members, you are doing amazing job in terms of projects and initiatives, right? So you are already achieving a lot of things. And I really like the invite, whoever is prepared, you know, from these 800 members. Really, I'm really impressed with your invite also. So thank you so much for giving that invite. You know, my father was also impressed, like, ये इतना बड़ा box किसने भेजा तेरे को invite करने के लिए? So I was like, yeah, chalo, my parents are also impressed with this now. So yeah, thank you so much for that invite also. And keep the good work. You know, we still have 6-7 months, you know, to go, and I hope, you know, this 67 reach to double number of projects in terms of, you know, community service and all. So I hope that, you know, when I come as, you know, next year in the installation ceremony, I will see a big number in terms of project as well, right, Vidhi? I think yes. You should say yes. Obviously, you should say yes. Anyways, thank you.
Yeah, there's no option now.
Yeah, you don't have any option. Anyways, yeah. So thank you so much for having me here, and yeah, and I'm really sorry, you know, for interrupting in between. But yeah.
No
Thanks a
worries.
lot.
Thank you so much, Bharat, for, you know, your constant support. I've always told you, you are our club mentor, even though officially, you know, you may not accept that title. But thank you so much for, you know, coming and speaking and just, you know, forever supporting us. And I'm sure next year also the next president will hopefully be able to keep up and make you happy.
It's my pleasure, you know, to be here with you guys. You know, it's really great thing for me as well. So thank you so much for inviting me here. Thanks.
Thank you, Bharat.
Yeah.
Now I would like to go ahead with the club theme for this year. Our club theme is Believe, Belong, Become, which stands for believe in making a difference today for a brighter tomorrow, belong to a global community of healthcare professionals, and become the change you wish to see in the world. The club theme defines and serves to conceptualize the work RC Medicro is sought out to do in its tenure as a sustainable, mission focused nonprofit organization that is all about service, making a difference, and building a global community of healthcare professionals by being a part of the largest global youth movement of young leaders, ROTAT, who are all developing innovative solutions to the world's most pressing challenges.
Now, we come to one of the most awaited parts of this evening, the theme release for our installation ceremony, Dissection.
As medical students and future doctors, we have immense respect and fascination for the human body, the way it's made, and it's perfectly fit into each other. Just the way the ecosystem is made, intricately and completely. We and completely. The smallest organism being the circle of life. We believe at our organization that it is a manifestation of the human body, from the bone marrow that makes the blood to the heart that pumps it to every organ that utilizes it and strives, creating new possibilities. Our core team and avenues work individually and together in an elaborate network and play a part at various levels to work as a consortium and make the organization into the well-oiled machine it has come to. In this way, each member is an integral part of our very own manifestation of life, an organization that values even the smallest contribution. Every avenue then becomes the likelihood of a particular organ system that helps make the human body, our organization, what it strives to be. Humans would have been just a sedentary blob of flesh and blood if we did not have our marvelously complex yet efficient nervous system, our brain, the maestro of our body, to micromanage every action and aid us in functioning smoothly. We present to you our hardworking core for the year 2020-21.
Heart is one of the most vital organs of the body, without which survival would be impossible. Our president, Dr. Vidhi Shah, is the center of our organization. She provides sustenance to all and gives life to RC Medicrew and thus resembles the human heart. Maintaining astonishing coordination and balance between the district and our club to keep our organization standing staunch, just like the cerebellum. Our secretary, Rotractor Riya Agarwal, and joint secretary, Rotractor Heth Modi. Just like neuronal impulses flow to our vital organs via the medulla, our treasurer, Rotractor Hiren Aswani, conscientiously ensures that money keeps flowing to our hard-working avenues.
Our club cannot stand strong and tall without our backbone, the Sergeant at Arms Retractor Chandni Shetty. A think tank full of creativity and an edifice to furnish proper working, a close-knit system of information and regulation resembling the cerebrum is our vice president. Retractor Teja Sheila, Retractor Tanisha Shekhar, Retractor Mohit Bhagia, and Retractor Tahir Varawala.
We now present to you a few more paramount, crucial, and indispensable systems of the body. Oops, I mean our exceptional board of directors for the year 2020-21.
Branching and expanding our connections to other Rotrac clubs in the district, we have our vascular system, Avenue Partners in Service, Rotractor Riya Mishra and Rotractor Mihir Naik.
Joining hands with Rotrac clubs and people throughout the globe and strengthening our international relations, we have a hard-working left hand, International Services Avenue, Retractor Sania Mullah and Retractor Pratyush Kumar.
Holding the power of bringing a paradigm shift in the world with just a pen in the hand, we have our right hand, our team editorials, Rotractor Sampada Kuvar and Rotractor Imtia Patanwala.
No achievement or project goes unnoticed by the incredibly perceptive lens of our club's eyes. The Digital Communications Avenue, which ensures that every single detail is magnanimously amplified and presented to our social media in the most aesthetically pleasing way possible. It consists of Retractor Riya Kovil, Retractor Ishwari Thadani, and digital heads Retractor Alekha Bhalerao, Retractor Ishra Koya, and Retractor Janvi Kataria.
Strengthening our framework as strong as bones and giving the fundamental structure to our club, our Human Resource Development Avenue consists of Retractor Vatsal Parekh, Retractor Siddhai Gurav, and Retractor Prerita Mittal.
Making our academically oriented club agile, active, muscular, and not just nerdy. Forming our strength and support, our next avenue is sports, Rotractor Meghnad Vekar.
Spreading our club's brilliant ideas and enunciating our every endeavor like a melodious yet erudite voice box. Our public relations avenue consisting of Retractor Charuta Pradeep and Retractor Kashish Thakkar.
Just like adrenaline rejuvenates all the organs with energy and efficiency, our next avenue resembling it is the Avenue Club Service consisting of Retractor Munib Rawal.
Breathing life into the lungs, another important avenue, breathing purpose into the future doctors of the club. Our next avenue, community service, consisting of Rotractor Saat Sarguru, Rotractor Purva Kokde, and Rotractor Altna Singla.
The neurons are a seat of plasticity, innovation, and ideation to learn and expand at each step. Presenting to you our Entrepreneurship Development Avenue, Rotractor Saili Shah, Rotractor Pranavanande, and Project Coordinator, Rotractor Vishnu Bhure.
This digestive system nourishes our club with extensive knowledge, information, and lots of food for thought to make us the doctors of tomorrow. A professional development avenue, Retractor Zeel Mittal and Retractor Khushbu Panchal.
Our regional heads, faculty heads, and institutional ambassadors, Tethor, are members and board together like social glue. Just like ligaments and tendons bind our bones. Every activity, every movement is smooth because of them.
Last but not the least, we acknowledge the legs that RC Medicrew, a club of 830 plus members worldwide, are standing strong on. Our pillars, our base, our foundation, the general body members.
Kudos to each and every one of our diligent core and BOD members for the sincere dedication they have shown in the club for the past few months. I am sure they will keep surprising us with their ingenious work. We wish them a successful and impactful year ahead.
Our zonal heads, Rotractor Harshita Semani and Rotractor Vidit Dhamankar, have always supported and reinforced our club with all the help we ever needed. We would now like to invite them to speak a few words.
Yeah, first of all, good evening, one and all. I am Rotractor Vidit Dhamankar, ZRR Zone 3A. First of all, I would like to congratulate Rotractor Vidhi and her team. Whole team of 800 plus Rotractors. It's a great achievement. Also officially welcoming Rotract Club of Medicrew in our Zone 3A. Rotract Club of Medicrew has done some amazing projects throughout, and we are really proud of it. And it's been our pleasure to have Rotract Club of Medicrew as a club in our zone. In fact, in the Rotract District 3141 as well. And congratulating once again to the Rotract Club of Medicrew. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Munib, for introducing us. And as Vidit rightly mentioned, we couldn't be more proud ZRRs than we are right now today. Fantastic work by the team, Vidhi and the entire core team. We've met them, we've spoken to them, we've known their vision since day one. And Vidhi, when we spoke to her for the first time, we already knew she was so clear in the head, you know, I want to do this, I have this, and I will achieve this. And it's a fantastic feeling to see you all growing yet with beautiful projects and much more to do. So congratulations once again to the entire team. And as Vidit rightly mentioned, welcoming you all officially right now. And Vidhi and Ria, I still remember Vidhi was a very choppy one. When we met her for the first time online, and she was just going on. Whereas Ria was just sitting like this in the entire meeting, because she was like, you know, I am not very well versed with the concept of Rotract, but seeing her also grow is a very good feeling. And we've been doing this for all our lovely clubs in the zone. So Vidhi and team and your entire, in fact, the Club of Medicrew, we have a small poem that we've written, and hope you all like it. So Vidhi.
Yeah, so let's start. Today is a new beginning.
For you all, just like a match's inning.
Who shall come together for service and play.
Who shall come together for service and play, and sway all our minds while you slay.
From today as leaders, you shall translate your vision into reality.
Along with a journey full of fellowship, self-development, and morality.
Your 4 pillars being empathy, unity, belief, and trust.
Make sure you give your best and never route towards anything that is unjust.
All for one and one for all.
While rocky roads await your journey, do not be afraid of the fall.
Leadership is not a position or a title.
In Rotract, it is an action and an example of a life cycle.
So it's time for you to now unbox yourselves
and step into the world of Rotract and explore all its shelves.
Hence, wishing you all the very best. May you do better each day, grow far and wide.
And if trouble ever comes your way, do not forget that your ZRRs are always by your side. Thank you so much, guys. So much. All the very best. And we are super proud and excited to see you all doing much more and reach greater heights. Thank you. That's it from us.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, Harshita and Vidit. That was really beautiful. We enjoyed the poem. I would now like to call upon our guest of honor for tonight, Rotary Club of Bombay Peer President, Rotarian Ashish Shah. With an academic qualification of an MBA in Finance and Marketing, Rotarian Ashish has been involved in the family business of pharmaceuticals and now real estate development, and even more actively involved in being an honorable Rotarian. Today, RC Medicrew couldn't have been luckier to be led in its charter year by someone as gracious as him, fostering bonds between Rotract and Rotary since our inception. Rotarian Ashish sir has not only been a model Rotarian, but has also been a true mentor. With a spirit that's younger than ours, he has helped us establish purpose as a Rotaract Club and instilled priceless qualities within members of Medicrew, which all Rotarians from Rotary Club of Bombay Pier reflect: simplicity, dedication, and pure, unbridled passion towards service.
Congratulations, Vidhi, on becoming the charter president of the Rotaract Club of Medicrew. Rotaract Club of Medicrew is a community-based organization with the motto of leading with healthcare through adversity to the stars. The club members consist of members, paramedical professionals, medical professionals, fields of MBBS, dental, physiotherapy, spanning all India and also overseas. The endeavor is to bring members together and provide them a platform to use their medical knowledge to serve and provide credible contribution to the society. The club is only 4 months old. It's the first pan-India club in District 3141. In 4 months, they have crossed 800 members covering 20 states and 86 cities. Total project done in 4 months, guess my friends, 127. These many projects, Rotary clubs do not do a couple of years. We at Rotary Club Bombay Pier also have done some projects with Rotaract Club of Medicrew, namely Project Zindagi, which was a menstrual hygiene awareness camp for girls at Anjuman Islam High School, and Project Rescue Vision, an eye checkup for girls of Rescue Foundation at Borivali. Rotaract Club of Medicrew can continue to assist Rotary Club of Bombay Pier to do more medical projects in the current year and the years to come through their network and expertise of medical professionals. We wish you and your team all the very best for the balance here, and let's do more projects and serve the community, what the goal of Rotary is all about. Thank you. All the best. Bye.
We would now like to invite our next guest of honor for the night, DRR 2020-2021, Ojas Joshi. There is grace in being willing to know and hear. Tests certainly true when we picture Ojas. Disobeying to fit into the standard definition of a leader, he chooses to alter the resolution of true leadership and is positive about giving only the best to this organization. If you ever need assistance with management, Ojas is your go-to person. Trust us. He's an engineer. We're talking about the amazing mix of an operations graduate in MBA and someone who can solve every crisis within the blink of an eye in one body. The Rotaract definition of suit up might just mean wearing the presidential collar that Ojas had the privilege to do for the Rotaract Club of Deonar in the year 2015-2016. Zone 4 received 2 awards in the year 2016-17. One is winning Best Zone, and other, according to the clubs, is having Ojas as one of their zonal Rotaract representatives. For 2 wonderful years, he made sure Team HRD remains the most outstanding team while serving as Director HRD and Chairman HRD in 2018 and 2019. He probably might have taken it literally when Eminem said, "Our normal life is too boring," and thus became District Rotary Secretary. While community building and HRD are 2 things he has a soft spot for, the administration saw rainbows under his leadership when he introduced training sessions for secretaries and the concept of monthly success week for clubs. Also, side note, he managed to revamp the scene of OCVs and installations scheduling by reviving the role of administration. Being awarded the upcoming council member sure motivated him throughout his journey. Rotaractors surely had HRD to fall back to in case of queries, grievances, all thanks to Ojas, who founded the Rotaract Help Desk. Like John Cena never backs down, never quits, Ojas took upon a challenge and introduced rising stars as a concept for his champion council to rise as better leaders, work of Samuel Johnson State. Curiosity is, in great and generous minds, the first passion and the last. Ojas is somebody who brims with curiosity, plus a passion to impact lives. Compatible with the previous statement, his clients at 91 Springboard would agree to his electrifying nature as a senior community manager. With a unique record of serving as district secretary and DRR, thus leading the movement for 2 continuous years, Ojas is set to breaking stereotypes. Presenting to you District Rotract Representative, Rotractor Ojas Joshi.
So before I even say anything, I think so many people spoke before me. Everyone spoke about leadership quotes and this. So I don't think I'm qualified to add any leadership quotes here because I'm still much younger than most of the dignified personalities who spoke before me, and I'll let them do that. Simply put, I'll just like to say hi to all of you all. Welcome to Rotract. And it's great to see such a large number of doctors at this, not only at an installation, but as part of a new Rotract club in this year of 2020-2021. Because I think no greater feat for us as the leaders that a new Rotract club is formed, and when a large club such as yours is formed. I'd like to say hi to more guys because the first set of people I think I've already interacted with them at some point of time in Rotract. Especially I'm aware about some of the vice presidents, and Vidhi, of course, I know from also from her previous 2 Rotract clubs. But it would be great to see the other guys as well, because I know this number keeps dropping. So I think till I finish speaking is going to be 100, which I absolutely understand because you started at 6, right? So I absolutely understand it's now become the graveyard shift, which is given to, okay, chalo, last professor in and kuch to baat karke aa jao, because everyone has to head out, right? I mean, I don't know how it works in medical colleges, but I'm sure, I've been given this absolute graveyard shift, but I'm not complaining. First, I like to say that very smooth Insti. I really like the background that was used. I know the tool that you're using, of course, but really liked how you represented each and every team with a medical language lingo, with the brain and with this. So I think that was really creative. Thank you so much for the creative box that you shared. I think it's not only Bharat, I think everyone's house wondered, kya itna bada gift, who sent and why have they sent it? I think in my case, people at my house are like, why have they sent it to you? Like, so I had to kind of explain to them, okay, yes, they're a new club there. So of course, very well done to the creative team and whoever came up with the idea. I think one good thing about Rotract, right, is while all of y'all, yes, y'all are connected to the medical network. And in fact, as Rotract now, we are also connected to a medical network, I think, which is the Asian School of the Asian Medical Network is this. But I think the beauty of this lies is where your medical network is already existing. And now you've coupled it with Rotract and Rotary. So I think you've expanded it like 10 times or 10x times. And will only do you beneficial, because think of me as one of your potential clients, right? I mean, look at all of us with the online world and with the hectic worlds that we live in. At some point of time, all of us, all of you guys are going to be one of our doctors, one of our go-to professionals. And that's the way I've always looked at the medicos in Rotract Club, because I believe that when you work with Rotractors and when you work with them, there's very high chances that you want their medical advice, a very high chance that you want to go to them only for counseling, for consulting, for whichever. I mean, I'm not aware of all the medical fields, but be it physiotherapy, be it MBBS, be it neuroscience, be it all those that are there, right? So that's very good, because for any Rotractor, like even not only in Mumbai, but anywhere across India, if you just simply say, I used to be part of Rotract, I am a Rotractor, I think that is more than enough to, to get the introduction out of the way. Like that, the comfort level suddenly becomes, oh, you're in Rotract, tell me, because everybody knows someone or the other. That's the beauty of it. Oh, yes, I know someone from Bombay, oh, I know someone from Brazil, oh, I know someone from here. So I think from that aspect, it's really great. While everyone was speculating about which is the largest community-based club, I'll just clear the air so that, you guys know what your target, you guys know what your growth opportunities are. And of course, don't pressurize yourselves with what Bharat is saying. Vidhi, this is to you. You're 2021 president. I don't have any pressure when it comes to membership numbers. So don't listen to Bharat also when he says 2000 or 2500. Take it as it comes along. I think let the club decide, what their growth milestones are. At least for this year, there's no pressure from here. But the largest community-based club in India in 1920 was 4,000 members. It's a club based out of Surat. So this is community-based club, which means that it's local people coming together and forming a club. And the largest institution-based club across the world is also from India. As of 1920, it's from Chennai, which is 7,000 plus members. It's an all-women's university, so 7,000 members there. But yeah, like these clubs exist, right? And I think you guys are, as and when you all hit 2,000, maybe you all will also realize, okay, we've done the first step of 1,000 now, how further can we grow? So this is just for you all to decide your years in growth. The club has experienced phenomenal growth in the last, 3.5 months. And I think it came with its fair set of challenges. I'm not the type of leader who will say that everything was all rosy and everything was all comfort and this. Medicos are used to very strenuous and hectic academic careers. At the same time, setting up this Rotaract club also was strenuous, but I think the club has overcome. I think the important thing is that for me, when I look at it from my perspective, we having the presence of 2 strong medical clubs, that means more medical professionals are associated with the movement. I think that's the biggest thing that I derive from this. I'm not so much concerned with, if you all are 800, 850, but it means that 800, 850 medical professionals will get a chance to give back to the society, and for Rotaractors to, to get engaged with all of these medical professionals, because there are so many times where clubs come up with really good medical projects, but they don't know how to execute them. Because they're like, यार क्या करेंगे अभी, हम लोग को concept नहीं पता, हम लोग को the only diagram we've learned in school is brain and heart, which most of us outsource to somebody who who is good at drawing. So that's the only medical things that we have. And I think that is where these clubs come in really handy, because some really nice projects can be done. And I could already, when you all were speaking about the kind of work that you did, I really like some things that you did. One is your institutional ambassadors and regional committee presidents or regional chapter presidents, because to run such a large club, right, at some point of time, you cannot, it's like you have a Mumbai head office, and then you have these regional committee who are empowered to do things off Rotaract. And then of course, they're reporting back to the Mumbai office, right? So essentially running like a medical organization over here. And it's great because it connects you to so many people. I was very happy to see that there are international medicos, and I look forward to seeing how international students will stay connected, because let's think of it this way, guys. You probably are one club who's going to benefit the maximum from the online revolution that has happened in Rotaract also. Next year, you all will have the chance to do online and offline both, of course. And we really hope that offline as well. But you all can also continue doing this online, because that's where your engagement will happen. If you've been able to connect with so many people and so many first-time members, right? Can I just get a sense in the chat, from who are the Rotaractors from beyond Bombay? Because of course, Mumbai there are, but which are the cities that we're speaking of? Or which are the states that we're speaking of? Just for me to get a sense. Okay, so I think what this does also is, right, for the Rotaractors who are beyond Mumbai, right, who are from wherever you are, Kerala, Erode, Trichy, Bhubaneswar, wherever you guys are from, Gujarat, every place that you have, the advantage it gives you as a Rotaractor is, while you'll yes be connected to Medicrew and Bombay, which will be your parent club or the club that you belong to, you get instantly connected to all the Rotaractors in that district, and you can now start making a difference there, because there are not many Rotaract districts who have only medical clubs. There are very few such as ours who actually have people who believe that a medical club can have a Rotaract club and then run it at the scale that you guys do. So maybe you can also be representatives of Medicrew in these specific states. That's something that I like for the club to, while you have institutional ambassadors, they can also be ambassadors for the state when it comes to working with those Rotaractors and Rotarians over there to do better medical and of course other projects related to medicine and science. Oh, we have someone from Nepal also. That's really good. Do reach out to, I'm sure you guys have already reached out, but Vidhi, also do make sure that, at any point of time, any help is needed with respect to these, just strict respect to any specific country that you need access to, do let us know, because we're connected to all the via our DRR network, or we're just connected by just one call away, right? Second thing I would like to encourage is, this is thing that I don't think anybody spoke about, and I think the members who, some of them must have heard me in my earlier addresses, where the concept of medical exchange. So Rotary has a brilliant youth exchange program, which is called the New Generation Service Exchange Program, called the NGSE. What it does is it sends Rotractors who are above the age of 20 all the way up to 31 now, whether working professionals or college. You can do a paid internship, you can do a community fellowship, you could do a cultural exchange. It could be all the way up from 15 days to 2.5 months, or even more, right? Based on where you're applying. I think the medical exchange is something that Medicrew can now make possible because of the different states. Think of it as if your college has limited opportunities when it comes to, okay, these are the few places that our college sends us to medical exchange programs. I'm guessing Vidhi went, I mean, in the intro, Vidhi also has gone to Vietnam, right? I'm not sure if she went through college or she went through some other association, but if this can be done, okay, so if this can be done, it will be great, because it will give more meaning to you guys when it comes to Rotract. Because how much social service can you all possibly do? You'll have chosen that as a career. You'll have chosen serving the community as your career, not social service, serving the community as your career. So somewhere it has to benefit you all, where you'll get that exposure. And maybe if your college doesn't give you that exposure, right? And if you don't, maybe there are limited opportunities in college, let Rotract be the place where you go via these exchange programs. And I'm sure more than happy that the Rotary Bombay Pier will be happy to support, because when it comes to these exchange programs, the only cost that you'll end up paying for yourself is the travel, that is the airfare ticket and the visa application. The host Rotary Club over there will host you, so your accommodation gets taken care of. Sometimes they'll even take care of your local food and your local this, and also you get a chance to do a paid medical fellowship, or whatever it's called in the medical world. So I think that's something I would like Medicrew to explore this year. I don't think this year medical exchanges are possible, or any type of exchanges are possible because of the pandemic. But I think we need to be prepared as to what kind of documents are needed, what kind of institutes are ready. All of these things, if can be done this year, 2021, Bharat's year could actually be the year where we're sending many students on this journey. And I think that would be a great boost for not only Rotract, but for the club. So that's one thought I want to leave all of you all with. Apart from this, while everyone speaks about Vidhi and the president, there's one person I feel it's only fair to mention, that is Rotractor Tejas. I feel really happy that so Tejas was one of my stars participant 2 years back when we did this program. And I think I feel very happy that, she's grown in the movement, and now she's the vice president of the club. And I look forward, Tejas, your further journey in Rotract. And I think you've been smiling throughout from the start. I think when I logged in also, you were the only one on the screen, and you were just smiling throughout. Like, it's not changed for you this entire 2 hours, right? So I think all the effort that you also put in, because you are one of the first founder members of Medicrew along with Vidhi, right? So great job on this. No, President Vidhi, I think everybody's spoken absolutely good things about you, and I think we're confident because the biggest thing that you have is the Rotract experience already under your belt. Having been part of 2 really good clubs, I think you've used all the experience to ensure that you set up things that you want to do, or things that the current Lord believes in, and then then add it your own flavor, because Rotract does not have any specific guidelines. And the only guidelines are president has to be there, charter and gavel gong. Everything else with your organization structure, be it your projects, everything, Rotract gives you a lot of freedom. So I'm really happy to see that. And I think the next 1.5 years, I think, are exciting times for all the general body members and all the institutional ambassadors, regional and faculty heads. The next 1.5 years will probably determine the next 5 years of this club in terms of growth. So I think it's a great time for you all to be part of RC Medicrew, and may you all also experience, if you notice, I didn't speak so much about Rotract in general, because I think I want you guys to experience it yourself. What you all are experiencing is partial 20% because it's all online. What maybe some of them, maybe Mohit, maybe Tejas, maybe Vidhi have experienced the offline version of Rotract, the fun parts of Rotract, which is beyond the social service and beyond all the medical projects that you do. Like the projects number, I'm not surprised at all. I won't be surprised even if you do 250, 300 projects. I will not be surprised at all, because I think it's kind of an expectation that I have. And But and that is why when everybody else says 127, I'll be like, yeah, I knew these guys would. The first month only, I'm sure they must have done like 40, 50 projects, right? And you can see that with this. So please experience RoadTrack, because that's where the beauty lies. The beauty is not in just doing what you guys are doing. The beauty is getting the full experience. It's like, eating one piece of the cake or one piece of the pizza and then just leaving it, like just throwing it away, right? So experience the entire pizza. Yeah, it's an emotion. Of course, clearly for you, it's a very big emotion, and I hope that all of the other members also get to experience it. Okay, so not so much of drop rate. I think 10 people dropped off from the time I started off. So I think I've been partly useful to the guys who've remained. Thanks so much, guys. And I hope to attend one of your project meetings at some point of time in the year. I don't think offline possible hai sabko milna. So, but I guess Vidhi, do let me know, at any point of time. I would like to interact more with the members. This is a little more formal, like it a little more casual off RoadTrack forum. I think that's the beauty. That's where I really enjoy talking to the members. Thank you so much, guys. And I think back to the host for the rest of the evening.
Hello, this is Roadtractor Tahir Varawala, Vice President of RC Medicrew.
Hello, this is Roadtractor Chandni Shetty, the Sergeant at Arms at RC Medicrew.
We deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable and joyous occasion.
First and foremost, we would like to thank our chief guest for the night, DG Rotarian Sunil Mehra sir. We are extremely obliged to him for taking the time out of his busy schedule and gracing this occasion. We thank our guest of honors, Rotarian Ashish Shah sir and Roadtractor Ojas Joshi for being true examples of service above self for all of RC Medicrew and beyond.
Gratitude to our honorary Rotarians, Rotary Youth Director, Rotarian Dr. Arun Garg sir, Club Mentor, Rotarian Rupen Doshi, and from Rotary Club of Bombay Pier, our Youth Director, Rotarian Riaz Nagri, President-elect, Rotarian Darshana ma'am, Secretary, Rotarian Mithu ma'am, and Medical Director, Rotarian Hashim sir. We would also like to acknowledge and extend our thanks to DRR-elect Rotarian Bharat Patel and ZRR's Roadtractor Harshita and Vidit, District Council members, for supporting our charter club and motivating us to always do better and grow within and beyond RID 3141.
It would be amiss for us to end this vote of thanks without mentioning our president, Roadtractor Vidhi Shah, and the rest of the core and board of directors of the RoadTrack Club of Medicrew for ensuring that this event becomes a memorable success. Last but not the least, we thank all our regional heads, faculty heads, institutional ambassadors, club members, family members, and guests, the Rotarians and Roadtractors present here, for accepting our invitation and supporting us through our journey and tonight. Thank you.
I, Roadtractor Riya Agarwal, Secretary for the term 2020-2021 of the RoadTrack Club of Medicrew, would like to present my first Secretariat announcement. Attendance for the first installation ceremony is as follows: 159 Club Roadtractors, 9 Rotarians, 3 District Council members, 4 Presidents and Secretaries, 24 Roadtractors from other clubs, and 57 guests, making it a grand total of 256 members attending. RoadTrack Club of Medicrew looks forward to planting 256 saplings in honor of each of your presence tonight. Thank you.
With absolute happiness and pride, I now adjourn the first charter installation of RoadTrack Club of Medicrew. Thank you everyone for joining us today, and we hope we made it memorable. A large thank you for the RC Medical family and my team who helped me today in making this event possible and in making RC Medical memorable. To all the board of directors and the core team who couldn't join us, we miss you and thank you so much everyone for again joining us today. We hope you'll remember this for years to come. Thank you. It's okay. No. What?
Oh God.